Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group at Keller Williams Luxury Homes. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to answer the question, what is the biggest constraint in our current real estate market? To answer this question, I want to share a quote with you from Calculated Risk founder Bill McBride. He states, quote, "It is possible that rising mortgage rates will slow the housing market, or the Fed might raise rates sooner than expected due to the recent pickup in inflation. But I believe one thing is certain: inventory will tell the tale." There is so much speculation in the market right now. What is going to happen with mortgage rates? What's going to happen with the Feds? Add coronavirus to that, and there is so much out there that people are speculating on and its impact on the real estate business. But there's no doubt inventory will be the market indicator this year. As we define reality, the bad news is that listings are at record lows. Over the last couple of years, one thing that is true is that low rates, people's definition of home, and people's desire to own a home has depleted the housing supply. And we are seeing evidence of this locally. If you look at this next slide, you'll see that as of January 1st of this year, total inventory in the Coachella Valley stood at 607 units, which is the lowest number on record, and 900 units less than last year at this time. So this is disappointing since we've just passed through the two historically strong months of inventory increases. Other Southern California regions show the same pattern, that inventory is again falling towards historic lows. As you will see in this next slide from Realtor.com comparing December 2020 to December 2021, this is also true nationwide, with only one state, Idaho, showing inventory improvement from last year. California as a state is down 27.8% compared to last year. The lowest inventory number goes to Connecticut, which has 57.8% fewer homes on the market this January than they did last January. So you can see that this frustration of no homes to sell is a nationwide issue. Locally, this has also contributed to incredible appreciation numbers. In this next slide, you will see that these columns show the size of the average home in each city, followed by its price and price per square foot. Current prices are then compared to both year-ago levels and all-time price lows that occurred in 2011 and 2012. At the end of the year, price gains for detached or single-family homes go from a high of 49.2% in Bermuda Dunes to 22.3% in Cathedral City. The largest price increases for attached homes or condos are 60.4% for Desert Hot Springs, 47.5% for La Quinta, and 42.3% for Bermuda Dunes. In this next slide, you will see that the rate of sales measured by a 3-month average of 878 units is considerably less than the 1,119 units last year, but significantly above the pre-pandemic December averages of the previous 4 years. Again, the diminished inventory number continues to be the overall force that is constraining our number of homes sold. The median value of days on the market in the Coachella Valley is now at 26 days, 1 day more than last month and 12 days less than last year at this time. The number of days on the market has been hovering around 25 days now for 6 months. As inventory remains low and sales stay high, forces are in place to possibly push this number even lower. So what does all of this information mean for buyers and sellers? For buyers, interest rates will remain historically favorable. However, they've recently bumped up, and experts are expecting them to fall between 3.5% and 4% in the last half of the year. Home price appreciation is also expected to rise between 5% and 10% this year. So in terms of affordability, this might be the best time for a buyer to secure a property. If you're a seller, projections are that we will remain in a strong seller's market throughout the remainder of the year. If you're considering taking advantage of the equity that you've gained in your house from the incredible amount of appreciation over the past couple of years, now might be the best time to get the highest price versus waiting until later this year. If you have any questions about the value of your home, or you're interested in purchasing a home in our area, we'd love to help you. Please feel free to reach out to us, email, call, or text, and we'd be happy to talk to you about your unique situation. Also, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, please also reach out to me with those, and I'd be happy to make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.